How you doing, guys? This is going to be a really quick video. I just wanted to say thank you so much to the people who have been Patreon supporters of me. And as a thank you, I'm going to be giving away, I have 6 items here. Got an Explorer compass, a Bastion brand belt. It's like a knuckle duster thing with a bottle opener that fits on, slides over the belt. Solid metal. We have from the latest battle box this metal wallet. It's a rebranded Customs. We have this rubberized patch, Swiss Tech keychain utility multi-tool, and a Viking key or a necklace whetstone. And so the way it's going to work is I'm going to give people choice based on the size of their patronage and just go in order what ones they want. And I will be doing, I've decided I want to do the same thing next month for everyone who is a supporter as well. So if you guys aren't a supporter this month, this stuff is going out to the people that are already supporters, and I'll notify them on Patreon too. And I plan on doing more Patreon exclusive stuff there too. I've been slacking on that. But so this is going to be a thank you gift to them, and I have a whole box more survival, prepping, outdoor shooting gear, stuff like that I will most likely be giving away on Patreon in the future. I can't guarantee it because then you're basically, it's just a legal thing. You can't do like a raffle that you buy tickets to. But I can decide to give things away, but it's not guaranteed. So that's how it's going to work. So if you guys are interested in supporting the channel, please do so. It's fantastic. Every single dollar helps a lot. It's a huge thank you to the people who have been supporting me, because with the way YouTube has been with the ad revenue, they're blocking, or I mean, they're throttling people's views if it's subject matter they don't like. Ad revenue is much lower than it was when I even had like half as many subscribers. So kind of sucks, but it's just the way it is. So that's why I really appreciate anyone who wants to support, and I plan on giving back as often as I can. So that's pretty much it. If you're interested in supporting, all the money goes into the stuff I'm doing here, and I will be giving away stuff from like extra gear from battle boxes and things like that when I feel like it. So thanks for watching, guys, and talk to you later.